3, 2, 1. Hello everybody, welcome to the cooler. This is what it looks like. Sorry about my brother interrupting. Tomorrow's my shopping experience, people. People are having a bad day. Technology or sucks, I know. Well, sometimes it messes you up, you know. You know it does happen, right? Technology can damage your systems. You never know if technology stops. I feel lonely and mad. I don't know what to do no more, people. My tab machine is not working. I can't know what to do no more. I have to pay for storage. I don't know what to do no more, people. I hate myself because all the technology don't work. You know what's going to happen. Mas aku main dia. I know. Technology happens, people. Let it to everybody. Let's see. Cafe. Alright, people, I'm back. I was doing my prices for all drinks in my cooler. This might grab, so it's going to cost $60, $59, you know. If you be lonely, it makes you feel bad, doesn't it? I felt lonely in this house at all. I've been a good kid this year. I'm 17 years old. I'm kind of lonely, everything. I need some help with this technology stuff. Feel like they're having issues with the record and stuff. I'm on YouTube Red. Notice my fans, you know. YouTube Red, I might not record, I don't know. Please forgive me. My technology don't work very properly. Okay, people? We should be okay. Alright. This is our news cooler system right here. Alright. Put on more mode. Let's see what it's gonna do. Let's put our Alexa in. People, I'm sorry I'm having a bad day. I was just mad over the phone and the iPad, computer. Everything's not working today. This Friday sucks, you know. I hate school. I feel lonely and suspicious. It's getting hot. Alright, people. Make sure you let me know in the comments below. If you feel lonely, just let me know in the comments below, okay? I'm having too much fun. You know me, people. Do not be lonely like this. I'm fine on my own. I just don't have a people be with me at all. Not like girls, anything. I love the girls, man. I love girls, okay? You have to follow my rules, people, okay? I know you feel lonely. If you want to play with this fridge, that's fine. Ooh, it's hot. People, I recommend don't play with that. That thing gets hot. Very, very hot. We'll put some chicken in there and let it cook. It's got burned. People, please be careful. That thing will burn you. I'll turn to cold. Alright, people. Okay, people. Everything okay today? That's where our controls. You can put in hot mode like that. It gets hot quicker. Put it on cold mode. Do not heat that thing up. You're gonna burn, catch on fire, okay? See all those extension cords I built? You know. I feel alone right now. You know me, people. On YouTube. Thanks for subscribing and notifying me. Thank you very much, people. Thanks, you guys, and thank you. Look at that. Echo dot should be cold. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Good job. Okay, it's Kokoschia. Okay. Okay, people. Alright, people. Mountain Dew. On total amount, $3. Look, people. Make all your prices up. See all that? That's how you do it. Make sure that Alexa, you can't hear me, okay? It's kind of funny. She says, yes, I can hear you. People, I might play GTA 5 and probably tomorrow. I'm going shopping tomorrow. I might ask you guys to take a tour, okay? Or I might be driving on my birthday. My birthday was past, okay? I'm going shopping tomorrow. I'll be in this house with this drizzling outside tomorrow. I'm gonna be alone, okay? Excuse me. Sorry, people. I should go to bed soon, people, if possible, okay? I'm looking out for tornadoes. There's not gonna be tornadoes right now, so I gotta have to look out. If it leaves, rip the house up. You know me. Alright, people. Let's go back to the office. I'll show you LA skyline. Oh man, it went off. Computer, I'm getting to disappoint you. Watch this. There you go. It's coming up. Technology's not working. There's our LA skyline. I'm not in LA, I've just shown you of it. I'm in the East Coast. Okay. Alright, guys, that's the update about the fridge, and I'll see you on my shopping experience. Alright, people, thanks for watching YouTube, and see you later, people. See you later, YouTube Red. Have a good night.